Welcome to a spirit animal message where I'll be pulling 3 cards to see what comes through inspiration and intuition. And if tonight's your birthday, I'd like to say happy birthday. And let's pull 3 cards. Elk nobility, celebrate your accomplishments with humility. You are crowned with success. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. Nobility. Tiger, fire. I choose to be unstoppable. My passion is my power. I am bold. I am brave. Mighty forces come to my aid. Pull the last. Keeper of secrets, Lynx. Take time out from the world and be the observer. Nothing can deceive you when you trust your knowing. You see others' secrets and keep them sacred. In silence and solitude, you will find your strength. So, nobility, fire, and keeper of secrets, or elk, tiger, and lynx. I think of nobility and fire. I think of like when we're in a fiery state, like say if something upsets us in some way, and facing it with this adaptability and using inspiration and intuition to sort of get through the challenges in a way that's, it's like stepping away from your emotional state in a way, or your reaction mode, so you're not in a reaction mode and you stay more in response to a situation, and being able to hold yourself back during times where the energy may be fueled with anger or passion, being that person to set the stage for peace.